Hi, Julie from Julie's Kitchen Adventures here, and I am super excited to show you this Flex Plus multi-tool set battery charged food processor, which is fantastic since my kitchen island does not have electrical to it. So today we're going to be just processing some Oreo cookies for a cheesecake crust. So we just put them in there, pop this on top. This also comes with two blades. It comes with a cheese grater with a fine and a larger grate possibility, as well as a vegetable slicer, and that'll do some thicker slices and thinner slices, and of course the blade that was inside of here to do your food processing. So all that you do is take this wand. The battery is attached, and I think I have enough battery in this one. If not, the other one is sitting on the charger, which is just great. This is just your this is so if you had vegetables or cheese or whatever, you slice it or toss it down in there and it gets sliced up. But since we're not using that piece, we're going to put this blocker in there, or the filler, so that the cookies don't fly up. And so you push underneath, turn it on, and off we go. So you push the button and off it goes. Sometimes you can jiggle it just a little. And you can adjust the speed of the chopper just by pushing the plus and minus at the top here. At the top. And there you go. Food processed Oreo cookies for cheesecake crust. Thank you, and happy baking.